I was halfway up on the wings of a fantasy, looking out for love, didn't know what was good for me. I stay out every night and live it up, live it up, live it up, live it up now, baby. But nothing feels the same. I'd rather be with you. Then I look into his eyes and I realize I'd rather be with you. Though I try to trick myself, there's nobody else. I'd rather be with you. I'd rather be with you. Then I look into his eyes and I realize I'd rather be with you. Though I try to trick myself, there's nobody else. I'd rather be with you. I'd rather be with you.
Ain't it funny how love hits you when you least expect it to? Anytime, any place, it can come right out of the blue. I thought it was only made for movie screens. Then you came along and you changed everything. Just one look into your eyes and I
Be
know
good to your wife.
I
Love
was
and
gonna
respect
spend
your
my
wife.
life
Ayun, naiiyak na tuloy ako.
I promise I'm yours, always and forever. Through the good and the bad, for worse or for better. I wanna be with you for the rest of my days. I promise I love you forever and ever and always.
Mahal, sa pagtayo ko sa harap mo ngayon, hindi sapat ang mga salitang masaya or napasaya para may paliwanag ko tong nararamdaman ko. Pero bago ako magsimula, gusto kong sabihin sa'yo na ang ganda-ganda mo. Bagay na bagay sa'yo yung gawan mo.
Promise I'm yours, always and forever. Through the good and the bad, for worse or for better. I wanna be with you for the rest of my days. I promise I love you forever and ever and always.
Mahal, ito na yung araw na pinakahihintay natin or ako lang ba? Salamat mahal dahil pinagbigyan mo ako sa pangarap ko or sa hiling ko na magkaroon ng ganitong klaseng church wedding. Nang dahil sa'yo, naniniwala ako na pag gustong-gusto mo talaga yung isang bagay, makukuha mo ito. Hindi lang sa time na gusto ko, pero sa time na gusto ni Lord.
Steady tide.
A story speaks and silences my doubt. The wind may blow,
Ang pinaka-sexy.
this house. Your voice so soft and strong. My husband all alone. Our love's a steady song. And I lay down everything, every part of me. I'm yours. Oh, through everything, here we stand, hand in hand. I'm yours. I've waited for a love that outlasts time, praying for a soul that betters than mine. I knew it from the start, together not apart.
Mahal, dahil sa'yo, ang dami kong magagandang na-realize. Na-realize ko rin na ang ganda ng plano ng Panginoon para sa atin. Alam ko ngayon pala sasabihin sa'yo to. Pero dumating ka sa buhay ko ng mga panahong sumusuko na ako. Nung panahong pagod na ako. At medyo desidido na ako na mabuhay na lang mag-isa. Masabi ko nga dati, mag-aanak na lang ako. Kahit wala ng asawa, okay na ako doon. Kasi nga ayoko nang madismaya. Ayoko nang makadismaya. Ayoko nang muling masaktan at ayoko nang makasakit pa. Pero lahat ng yun ay binali mo. Lahat ng yun binago mo. Lahat yun nag-iba simula ko nang kilala kita.
And I lay down everything, every part of me. I'm yours. Oh, through everything you stand, hand in hand. I'm yours. And I lay down everything,
Pinapangako ko
every part
na kapag dumating yung oras na hindi mo na kaya, ay kakayanin ko. Kapag nangihina ka na, ay tatatagan ko. Kahit na araw-araw mo kang awayin o araw-araw kang tuyuin, tandaan mo, ikaw at ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. Kahit sa panahon ang sablay-tablay na natin, ikaw pa rin ang gugustuhin ko. Hindi ka magsisisi na ako ang pinakasalan mo. Mananatiling mahal na mahal kita hanggang maubos ang mga numero sa kalendaryo. I love you.